Yarrow, Achilleaspa, is a hardy perennial plant known for its feathery foliage and clusters of colorful flowers. It's relatively easy to grow and care for, making it a popular choice for gardens and landscapes. Here's a guide on how to plant, grow, and care for yarrow plants. Planting. Choose a location. Yarrow prefers full sun but can tolerate light shade. Select a spot with well-draining soil, as yarrow is susceptible to root rot in overly wet conditions. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by loosening it and removing weeds. If your soil is heavy, consider adding some compost or organic matter to improve drainage. Planting depth. Plant yarrow divisions or nursery-bought plants at the same depth they were growing in their containers. Yarrow can also be grown from seeds. Spacing. Space yarrow plants about 12 to 24 inches apart, depending on the variety. This provides enough room for the plants to grow and prevents overcrowding. Growing. Watering. Yarrow is drought-tolerant once established. Water young plants regularly until they establish their roots. Mature plants generally only need supplemental watering during dry spells. Fertilization. Yarrow doesn't require heavy fertilization. If your soil is poor, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around yarrow plants to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Avoid piling the mulch directly against the stems. Deadheading. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and prevent self-seeding. Cut back the flower stalks to the base of the plant after they've finished flowering. Caring. Pruning. Yarrow benefits from occasional pruning to maintain its shape and prevent it from becoming too leggy. Cut back the foliage in late fall or early spring before new growth emerges. Division. Every few years, yarrow plants can become crowded and lose vigor. Divide the plants in early spring or fall by digging up the clump and separating it into smaller sections. Replant the divisions. Pest and disease control. Yarrow is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, keep an eye out for aphids and other common garden pests. If necessary, use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control infestations. Varieties. Yarrow comes in various colors, including shades of pink, white, yellow, and red. Some popular varieties include Achillea millefolium paprika red, Achillea filipendulina yellow, and Achillea moonshine yellow. Yarrow can spread rapidly, so consider its growth habit and space it accordingly to prevent overcrowding. Overall, yarrow is a versatile and attractive plant that can thrive in a variety of garden settings. With the right care, it can provide beautiful blooms and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your landscape.